In this video, we'll show you how to check and manage linked devices on WhatsApp. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. A linked device has access to your WhatsApp account, meaning it can send and receive messages. It's important to regularly check for any devices you don't recognize, or simply to review all the devices you've linked. To check on Android, open the chat screen and tap the three dots in the top right corner, then go to Settings. For iPhone users, tap Settings at the bottom right of the screen. Next, find the Linked Devices option, which is located in the second section of the Settings menu. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of devices currently connected to your account. As you can see, I have one device connected, a Windows device running Opera. You can tap on any device to view more details and even log it out if needed. It's really that easy. Just go through the list, and if you spot any unfamiliar devices, feel free to remove them. If you enjoyed this guide and want to see more, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos.